Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, the spotlight is on an essential accessory for any Insta360 X4 owner looking to elevate their audio game, the 6PCS Mic Muff. This product is designed specifically to combat one of the biggest challenges when filming outdoors: wind noise. It promises to deliver crystal clear audio, transforming the user's outdoor recording experience. When capturing breathtaking panoramic footage with the Insta360 X4, the visual quality is often paramount. However, clear audio is just as crucial for a truly immersive viewing experience. This is where these microphone wind muffs step in. Users receive a generous pack of 6 wind muffs, along with 6 magic adhesives, providing ample supply for daily use and replacements. These aren't just any foam covers. They are described as professional acoustic sponges, engineered to weaken unwanted noise and make the recorded sound more transparent and crisp. The material itself is a key highlight. Crafted from a noise-weaken windproof sponge, this good-quality sound-absorbing foam actively works to diminish the disruptive sounds of wind. The result is a noticeably more transparent audio output, allowing the primary sounds of the environment or the speaker's voice to come through without interference. This means less time spent in post-production trying to salvage audio and more time enjoying the captured moments. Measuring approximately 2.02 by 1.36 centimeters for the wind muff and 2.02 by 1.34 centimeters for the magic adhesive, these accessories are designed for a precise fit. The seamless windproof cotton ensures optimal sound transmission, meaning the audio quality isn't compromised by the muff itself, only enhanced by its wind-canceling properties. A crucial design aspect for 360-degree cameras is how accessories integrate visually. These wind muffs boast a special design that allows them to fit tightly with the camera's fuselage, becoming completely invisible in the panoramic picture. This ensures the camera maintains its sleek aesthetic, looking beautiful and unobtrusive, which is a significant advantage for any 360 camera accessory. Compatibility is, of course, perfect with the Insta360 X4. While not sponsored or endorsed by Insta360, these wind muffs are engineered to work seamlessly with the camera, providing a dedicated solution for its microphone system. For creators who frequently shoot outdoors, whether it's vlogging, action sports, or travel documentaries, the impact of these small but mighty accessories on audio quality can be immense. They offer a simple yet effective way to ensure that the audio accompanying stunning 360 visuals is just as impressive, capturing every detail without the distracting roar of the wind. This product truly helps elevate the overall production value of Insta360 X4 footage, making it a valuable addition to any creator's kit.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.